In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu on your Squarespace website. Now, to be able to do this, we need to be on our Squarespace website page, and we need to go over to where it says Pages on the left-hand side. And essentially, what we want to create is one of these links here to be a drop-down link. So to be able to do this, what I firstly need to do is go over to where it says Main Navigation, and we want to click on this plus icon. From here, it's going to give you lots of different options, but the option that we want to select is down here where it says drop down. And then we can name our drop down as, just call it drop down, just for example purposes on this one. And then what we can do is actually either add new pages or we can drag some from down below here into this drop down section, as you can see. So let's just go and add a couple, as you can see right here. And what you'll actually notice as well, in our header, we have a new menu item called drop down. And as you can also see, it's on the left-hand side. So I actually want to go ahead and left click on that and drag that down just so it's at the back of these links. So just to the right of portfolio. And if we actually go over to our drop down and hover over it, we can actually have that drop down menu come up with the pages that we have inside it on the left-hand side here. Hope this video helped.